Are you ready to create mind-blowing blogs in just a matter of seconds? Yes, we're talking about AI content. What does that mean? Will Google have no clue that it's AI generated? Not really, but how does it help you? This AI content scored an incredible 98% originality score, which means your content is more human-like and has a better chance to rank on Google and get more traction on your site. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly create blog posts that really make a difference. With this AI tool called Gravity Write, we'll be able to create a blog like this. You can see it is much more detailed and well-crafted. We'll cover everything step by step, from getting ideas for your content to, and all this takes less than 10 minutes. So, get ready. Let's dive right in to create our blogs. Step 1 is to log into Gravity Write. I've provided a link in the description, so just click it and it'll take you to this page. Now, click Start Writing for free. Enter your name, email, and set a password. Click Sign Up. To start creating blogs, go to Blog Workflow, where you'll see different tools. We'll use these tools to create a blog. Step 2 is to get a topic idea for your blog. If you already have a topic, you can skip to the next step. But if you're open to exploring different ideas, click Blog Topic Idea. Enter a keyword related to the type of blog you want, and Gravity Write will generate different topics for you. For example, I'm entering 5 innovative business ideas. Click Create, and you'll get some interesting topics. Select the one you want for your blog. Once we have the topic, the next step is to create an outline. To create the outline, copy the topic you chose. Click on Blog Outline. Paste the topic here, and click Create. You'll get the outline with headings and descriptions. If you want to change or add anything, just click and start editing. For example, change food delivery to food and beverage industry. Copy this outline and paste it into your document. Step 4 is to create the content for your blog based on the outline. Copy the outline, go back to Gravity Write, and click Blog Content. Paste the outline here and enter the title of your blog. Click Create Content and your full content will be ready. Edit as needed, and then copy this content to your document. We've created an entire blog post using AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.